Hello traders and welcome to Trade IQ. Today I'm going to show you a profitable and easy to follow strategy that works with Forex, crypto or stocks, and it only requires 10 to 15 minutes of your time per day. Let's get into it. Okay, so for this strategy we're going to need to use a daily time frame, and here are the indicators we're going to need. So the first confirmation indicator is going to be this super trend indicator, and the settings are on default. The second confirmation indicator is going to be this exponential moving average, and the length is set at 200. And the third indicator we're going to need is this stochastic, and the settings are set on default. For our entry signals, we're going to use this stochastic indicator. So every time these lines cross each other, this is a new signal to enter the trade. Also, we can only take long trades if the price is sitting above the moving average and the super trend is green. The opposite works when entering short trades, so the price has to be below the moving average and the super trend has to be red. For this system, we're going to use 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and now let me give you an example of where we're going to put our stop loss when entering a long trade. Okay, so we have a long signal from our stochastic indicator, which happened right here. You see the lines cross each other and the blue line is above the orange one. We also see the price sitting above the 200 EMA and the super trend is green. So this is a confirmation that we can enter a long trade. So we're going to enter a long trade on this candlestick right here, 15 to 20 minutes before it closes. We're going to set our stop loss at the lowest point that happened between the current cross and the previous cross, during the time when stochastic was giving us a bearish signal. So it was right here at this candlestick. You see, this is the lowest point. Okay, so we're going to set our stop loss right there, and we're going to target 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so we can see the price went in our direction and it hit our take profit target. So this was a profitable trade. Right after that, we had another signal from our indicator to go long. So we're going to take another long trade right here. And we're going to set our stop loss somewhere right here. So this was the lowest point during this bearish signal. We're also going to target 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And there we go. We have another profitable trade. So right after this trade, we had another signal to go long somewhere right here. So we're going to take another long position and we're going to set our stop loss right here. Our risk to reward ratio is 2-to-1. And as we can see, we have another profitable trade. Okay, so let me now give you an example of a short trade. So we see the price just crossed and it closed below this 200 EMA. We also have a super trend colored in red, but we do not take a short trade right there. We have to wait for our stochastic to give us a new short signal, which was right here. So we're going to take a short position and we're going to set our stop loss at the highest point between these two crosses, between our current cross and the very recent cross. So we're also going to set our take profit target at 2 times the risk, and this is where we would hit our take profit right there. So a couple candlesticks later, we have another short signal. So we're going to take a short position right here, and we're going to set our stop loss right here. So we're going to target 2-to-1 ratio, and there we go. We have another profitable trade. Okay, so now you know the rules. Let's test the system 100 times on a euro-dollar currency pair and wait for the results at the end of the video. Okay, so after testing our system out for 100 times, we see the results are pretty solid. We started our account with £1,000 and we gained 209.31% returns on investment. Our win rate is 53%, which is positive. It took me around 4 years to find those 100 trades, but remember, this is a daily chart. You only trade for 10-15 minutes a day. And this is only one currency pair. You can use this system on multiple currency pairs and you can double or triple that return in investment. Also, we see the account growth is pretty consistent because we were only risking 2% in order to make 4. Also, I want to mention the maximum drawdown. So the maximum drawdown on the system was right here and it was 6%. This is where we had 3 losses in a row. And the maximum winners in a row, we had 5. This is the time when the market is trending and our system is giving us a lot of signals to enter the trade. So we take those trades and we collect those profits. So overall, I think this system is pretty good. I highly suggest you backtest it and forward test it on different currency pairs and different assets before you start trading with real money. Also, I created a spreadsheet where I'm going to save all my systems, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the perfect system I'm looking for. Right, I'm off. See you in the next video.